This is how I have learned to replace my 2010 Mercedes S550 key fob battery. The instructions I've seen online have the back portion right here popping off, but in this battery, I guess Mercedes made it a little bit different. And this little tiny little tool is going to help me. So I'm going to take out my little key. I'm going to slide, there's a lever right in here. Slide it away from me. I'd say this part is the most difficult, at least for me. Pop the batteries out. Hi Riley, say hi to everybody. These batteries are fine because they haven't been used in a while, but you just slide them under. And the batteries are the 2025s. And then to put it back in, oh yeah, if you want to take this battery out, slide it out, slide it back in, push, and put the little key back in, and you're done.